Hey, future digital detectives and curious minds. Welcome back to the Cyber Sleuth. Thinking of a career in cybersecurity? Want to become an SOC analyst but not sure where to start? In this video, we'll break down the most important topics you need to study to kickstart your SOC analyst career. Let's decode it together. Section 1. What is a SOC analyst? A SOC analyst, or Security Operations Center analyst, is the first line of defense in any organization's cybersecurity team. You monitor threats, investigate suspicious activity, and respond to incidents in real time. Now, let's dive into what you really need to study to get there. Section 2. Top topics to study? 1. Networking fundamentals. Start with networking. You can't detect intrusions if you don't know how networks work. Focus on OSI model, TCP, IP protocols, ports and services, firewalls, routers, DNS, and VPNs. 2. Operating systems, Windows and Linux. As a SOC analyst, logs are your best friend. You must understand Windows event logs, Linux system logs, syslog, auth.log, command line tools, PowerShell and Bash basics. 3. SIEM tools, security information and event management. Get hands-on with SIEMs. These platforms collect and analyze logs. Popular ones include Splunk, IBM QRadar, Microsoft Sentinel, and understand how to create alerts, queries, and reports. 4. Cybersecurity concepts and threat landscape. Grasp the basics of cyber threats and how attackers operate. Study about malware types, phishing techniques, MITRE ATT&CK framework, kill chain and incident lifecycle. 5. Incident detection and response. This is your core job. Learn about triage process, investigating alerts, containment, eradication, and recovery. Writing incident report. Scripting basics, optional but helpful. Scripting helps automate tasks. You don't need to be a coder, but knowing some Python or PowerShell can give you a big edge. Certifications, to validate your skills, and to boost your resume, consider these certs. CompTIA Security Plus Certified Ethical Hacking from EC Council, Microsoft SC 200. Section 3. Bonus tips. Practice with free labs. Try HackMe, Blue Team Labs online. Join cybersecurity communities on Discord and LinkedIn. Follow real-world incidents via blogs and news sites. Now you know exactly what to study to become a SOC analyst. Hit that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more cyber career videos. Drop a comment. What topic should we dive into next?